Did you know that attraction isn't just about looks? It's a complex psychological process involving many factors. This is not merely about physical appearances but a fascinating interplay of the mind's nuances. Today we're going to delve into this captivating topic, exploring 14 intriguing facts about attraction. From how symmetry influences our perceptions to the mysterious role of adrenaline, we'll unravel the many layers that make attraction such an intricate puzzle. Stay tuned to discover the fascinating secrets behind the psychology of attraction. Fact number 1. Symmetry plays a significant role in how we perceive attractiveness. It's a fascinating element of human psychology that we're instinctively drawn to symmetrical features. This could be due to various reasons. Some theories suggest that symmetry is associated with a strong genetic makeup, indicating good health and fertility. Others believe it's simply a fundamental aspect of human aesthetics, deeply ingrained in our perception of beauty. So, the more symmetrical, the more attractive. Interesting, isn't it? Fact number 2. The color red can increase perceived attractiveness. It's a powerful hue that's been linked to passion, energy, and even danger. But when it comes to attraction, studies suggest that wearing red can enhance our appeal. Psychologically, we're drawn to red because it's associated with status and power. It's not just a cultural construct though, even non-human primates show a preference for red. So whether you're looking for love or aiming to impress, consider adding a splash of red to your wardrobe. Red really does seem to be the color of love. Fact number 3. Body language is a powerful determinant of attraction. It's more than just a smile or a wink. It's about how we position ourselves, how we use our hands, our eye contact, even our pace of speech. These non-verbal cues can amplify our perceived attractiveness. A confident posture, a genuine smile, the right amount of eye contact. These are simple gestures that can speak volumes about our interest and attraction towards others. So, the next time you're trying to catch someone's attention, remember your body language plays a vital role. They say actions speak louder than words, and it seems that's especially true when it comes to attraction. Let's delve into facts 4 to 7, which involve some less obvious aspects of attraction. Let's start with scent. Fact 4. Our sense of smell, or olfaction, plays a significant role in attraction. It's not just about wearing a nice perfume or cologne. Our natural scent, believe it or not, can make us more or less attractive to others. It's a primal thing, harking back to our animal ancestors who used scent to identify suitable mates. Moving on to fact 5, similarity and like-mindedness. It turns out that birds of a feather flock together hold some truth in the realm of attraction. We are naturally drawn towards people who share our interests, beliefs, and values. This similarity gives us a sense of comfort and understanding, which can be a powerful magnet in forming connections. Now let's talk about proximity. Fact 6. Physical proximity can significantly boost attraction. The more we see someone, the more likely we are to develop feelings for them. It's not just about convenience, but the simple fact that familiarity breeds fondness. Which brings us to fact 7. The familiarity principle. We tend to develop a preference for things merely because we are familiar with them. Familiar faces, familiar places, familiar ideas, they all become more attractive with time. This principle, also known as the mere exposure effect, suggests that repeated exposure to certain individuals increases our liking for them. So it's not just about what we see, but also what we smell, how similar we are, and how often we see each other. Moving on to facts 8 to 11, let's explore some intriguing psychological phenomena. First up is the halo effect. This cognitive bias causes us to let an overall impression of a person, often based on their physical attractiveness, influence our feelings about their specific traits. In other words, if we find someone attractive, we're more likely to perceive them as kind, intelligent, and funny too. This effect is potent and can sway our interactions and relationships. Next, let's talk about altruism. Altruism is selfless concern for the well-being of others. Studies show that altruistic people are often perceived as more attractive. It makes sense, doesn't it? After all, kindness is a universally admired trait. Now, on to voice pitch. Did you know that the pitch of your voice can influence how attractive others find you? Research indicates that men with deeper voices and women with higher-pitched voices are often seen as more attractive. This is believed to be tied to evolutionary cues about health and fertility. Finally, we arrive at humor. Who doesn't love a good laugh? Humor plays a significant role in attraction. It's not just about being able to crack a joke. Being able to share a laugh indicates a shared worldview and can create a sense of bonding and comfort. So keep those witty one-liners handy. From our perceptions of people's character to the sound of their voice and their sense of humor, attraction really does go beyond skin deep. And finally, rounding up with facts 12 to 14. Let's dive into the exhilarating world of adrenaline. This hormone, known for its role in our fight-or-flight response, can actually give attraction a significant boost. When we experience thrilling situations, our hearts race, and our minds associate this excitement with the person we're with, enhancing our feelings towards them. Moving on to fact 13, we have the mere exposure effect. This psychological phenomenon explains why we tend to develop a preference for things merely because we're familiar with them. So the more we see someone, the more attractive they become to us. Lastly, fact 14 introduces the captivating role of mystery. There's something irresistibly intriguing about not knowing everything about someone. This sense of mystery can spark interest and intensify attraction, keeping us intrigued and longing for more. From adrenaline rushes to the allure of the unknown, the psychology of attraction certainly keeps us on our toes. So, there you have it, 14 fascinating psychological facts about attraction. We've journeyed through the significance of symmetry, the allure of the color red, and the silent language of our bodies. We've explored how our senses, similarities, proximity, and familiarity play their part. We've delved into the halo effect, altruism, voice pitch, and the power of humor. We've also uncovered the roles of adrenaline, the mere exposure effect, and the intriguing aspect of mystery. Next time you feel that inexplicable pull towards someone, remember it's not just about looks, it's a complex web of psychological factors at work.